Good morning. Thanks, Wendy. ARC is a clinical stage company. We're developing a first-in-class liquid medical device that prevents surgical adhesions. Surgical adhesions are unwanted scars that form internally following common surgical procedures. Surgical adhesions cause pain, suffering, organ dysfunction, infertility, and death. Ironically, the only way to treat a surgical adhesion after it forms is to have a second surgery to cut the adhesions apart. And this is a very expensive surgery. And thus, surgical adhesions cost both payers and hospitals significant costs. Surgical adhesions are a large unmet medical need. So currently, the most efficacious products are small barrier films. At the end of an abdominal pelvic surgery, they're placed between the tissues, and they work great because they provide a physical barrier that prevents the formation of surgical adhesions. However, they only prevent adhesions in the very small local area to which they're applied. The challenge is that there is a huge surface area within the abdominal pelvic cavities, and surgeons can't predict where these adhesions are going to form, and thus, small barrier films fail to prevent most adhesions. There are some non-barrier liquids. They flow throughout the entire abdominal cavity, but since they don't form a barrier film, they also fail to prevent most surgical adhesions. ARC has overcome the failures of these current products that are on the market. We have the only liquid medical device that flows throughout the entire abdominal cavity, forms a film throughout the entire abdominal cavity, and then prevents adhesions again throughout the entire abdominal cavity. As you can see in this video, as a liquid medical device, it's easily applied in an open laparotomy or a micro-laparoscopy procedure. Following application, the liquid immediately flows throughout the entire abdominal area. And as you'll see here, it then forms a thin temporary film that prevents the formation of surgical adhesions. The product is then safely excreted over about 7 days, and the patient heals normally. Great. Our product in the US is regulated as a Class 3 medical device due to its physical and mechanical action. We have compelling non-clinical efficacy data in surgical adhesion models in rats, rabbits, pony foals, and adult horses, including in multiple surgical indications, so pelvic, abdominal, thoracic, cardiac, spine, and tendon. And we've shown superior efficacy when going head-to-head against 3 of the top marketed products. We're currently excited that we're conducting a randomized controlled volume escalation abdominal pelvic safety clinical trial in healthy volunteers. Importantly, what we've shown is that our product at higher volumes than what was efficacious and superior compared with current products is safe in humans. We've manufactured 3 GMP products. All of these 3 GMP batches, all of these batches of the device are in use in the current clinical trial. Worldwide, top key opinion leaders both design and oversee the execution of our clinical trials. We're obtaining guidance from additional surgeons, from the US FDA, from payers and hospitals on the design of our upcoming pilot surgical patient efficacy clinical trials, and we're ensuring that we obtain the health economic data that are required for reimbursement. We have a robust patent portfolio with patent protection that we believe will cover our products through 2039. In addition, we're excited to let folks know that we've done a license deal with a very large Japanese pharma for Japan with excellent terms. In summary, our product is poised to replace films, gels, and liquids in both the laparoscopy and laparotomy, pelvic and abdominal markets, and be first to market in knee replacements. We're now seeking $25 million to fund 3 US pilot surgical patient efficacy clinical trials in the following indications: pelvic, abdominal, and knee replacement surgeries. Contact us using the information at the bottom of the slide. Thank you.